To find that theme that you want to design around and to articulate says so much about who you are. I'm curious to see what people make of this world right now and what people feel is important to contribute with.
If we hear the word design, we very often think about like, oh, this is like trendy this year, these are great colors, or this is a good look. But design is actually giving form to function.
Designlösungen, innovative Ansätze, wie ein Zusammenleben, wie eine Gemeinschaft besser gestaltet werden kann.
The world is always changing and in progress, and we want to be part of it. I want to be inspired by young people.
The tools will come and they will change, which is exciting, but it's the people which make a difference.
Trying to develop processes, looking in an interdisciplinary way.
Reduzieren auf das Minimum, um aber das Maximum zu schaffen, Langlebigkeit, Bestand haben und nicht langweilig werden.